If you ask yourself, why is work always so hard? Or why do I get so little money for the work I do? Or you even have sleepless nights asking yourself, how can I pay my bills with the insufficient revenue I make? Then you came to the right place. Welcome to the Work Smart, Not Hard channel. On this channel I would like to give you ideas how to start a business or run your business the smart way. My name is Falk. In the last 25 years I helped companies in over 100 projects to improve the way they work. And I'm German, so please excuse my accent. If you are unhappy with your professional situation, follow me along to unleash your potential and boost your business. Let's get started. To have success in business, I would like to see your business as a delicious cake everybody wants to eat and can't get enough of. To make such a cake, you need the right ingredients in good quality, in the right amount, and you have to mix them together in a specific fashion. If you want your business to be successful, your products and service have to be like this delicious cake. On a generic level, you need 4 ingredients. First of all, you need a business case with products and services that are in high demand because they satisfy an important customer problem or customer desire. Imagine you run a kiosk in a public open-air swimming pool. That's a big thing in Germany. Then it's not a good idea to sell water, but it is a good idea to sell ice cream and French fries. However, if your kiosk is in the desert, people will do everything to get your water. Bottom line, your products and services have to be in high demand like water in the desert. If your products and services are not in high demand, you need to adapt and change your business case. It doesn't matter why your business case is the way it is. If you want to succeed with your business, you have to sell water in the desert. You think this is easier said than done? Well, subscribe to this channel and you will learn how to do it within your own capabilities. As a second ingredient, you need a business model that makes the most out of your potential. A business model defines how you provide, market, and sell your products. A very famous example is how Steve Jobs rescued the music industry from bankruptcy with iTunes because of download platforms like Napster. One song for $1 in high quality, convenient download, and no legal repercussions. That went very well until Spotify came along with their music flat rate. Very often, companies have desired products, but their business model prevents them from realizing their sales potential. A typical mistake is to sell your product as a one-time sale and hoping that the customer will come back and buy again. As a business, you have fixed costs. And what you want is recurring revenue that covers at least your fixed costs. To have recurring revenue, you must define your business model that you get constant payment for your products and services. Besides Spotify and Netflix, Rolls-Royce is a very prominent example. Rolls-Royce doesn't sell their turbine engines to Boeing or Airbus. They sell working hours of their turbine engines. With this business model, Rolls-Royce made sure the turbines are maintained by Rolls-Royce and they have a recurring revenue flow instead of a one-time sale. Imagine you have a heating and plumbing company. A heating system needs regular maintenance. Very often, homeowners skip the maintenance or go to a competitor to save costs. How about you offer a monthly subscription of 10 or 20 bucks that includes the maintenance of the heating system and repairs, except the parts. At a first glance, this might not be a good idea because of the free repair. But come to think of it, since you do the maintenance, the likelihood of repair is at a minimum. And when you do the repairs, you can charge more for the parts than you usually would, because at this point the homeowner is not price sensitive because you do the repairs for free. In this way you have a recurring revenue And more important, you're the number one contact for the homeowner regarding heating and plumbing. Being in frequent contact with the homeowner gives you a lot of upselling potential for home improvement or recommendations to other homeowners. Managing payments for subscriptions brings me to the third ingredient for a successful business. To work effectively and scale your business, you need a digital business platform. Accidentally, I saw a YouTube video of Don Crowther. He's an online marketing legend since more than 20 years. I was curious, so I looked up his website. And there he has a section called Recommended Tools. In this section, he recommends many software tools for online marketing. And they all might be great for themselves. But if you use them together, you end up with media breaks that you have to fix manually at great cost. To work effectively and scale your business, you need a holistic digital business platform that has the required functionality, no media breaks, but interfaces to software systems you already use and can't get rid of, and that can be extended to your specific needs. A provider of such a platform is Microsoft with its Microsoft 365 offering in combination with Power Platform and Dynamics 365. On this channel, I will show you how to use and customize the Microsoft tools to work smart and boost your business. Finally, we come to the fourth ingredient, which is implementing operational excellence. Your business won't thrive unless you provide your services or products in a consistent, reliable, high quality. Imagine you're a bakery. One day your buns taste great, the other day they taste awful. Or one day they're available at 7 a.m. in time for breakfast, and the other day they are not. Your customers won't accept that. They will go to a different bakery because you are not reliable. Implementing operational excellence is paramount for the success of your business. The easiest way to implement operational excellence is implementing processes which are monitored and enforced by a digital business platform. And here comes Microsoft to play. I will tell you all about it in future videos. To wrap things up, you need a business case with products that are in high demand, like water in the desert, a business model that guarantees you recurring revenue, a digital business platform that enables you to work effectively and scale your business, and you need to implement operational excellence that makes sure that you provide your services in a constant, reliable fashion. So that's it for today. If you like my train of thought, please subscribe and stay tuned for the next video in which I will explain to you how to create a killer business case like selling water in the desert. Bye bye.